Hi, my friends. I am Miss Allison at the Highland branch of the Medina County District Library. Can everybody wave and say hello? We wave and say hello. With our friends at Storytime, we wave and say hello. We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello. With our friends at Storytime, we clap and sing hello. Let's stomp our feet. We stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. With our friends at Storytime, we stomp and sing hello. Okay, I'm going to read today Splish, Splash, Ducky by Lucy Cousins. A special thank you goes out to Candlewick Press. Hello, I'm Ducky Duckling. When I'm feeling happy, I say, can everybody say it with me? What does duck say? Quack, quack, quack. Oh, goody, goody, hooray. It's raining today. I'm going to find my friends to play. Everybody say quack, quack, quack. Drip, drip, drop. I hop with frog. Quack, quack, quack. I like to squirm with wiggly worm. Quack, quack, quack. A hug for bug, a hug for slug. Quack, quack, quack. Into the pond to play with the swans. Quack, quack, quack. Splish, splash, I swim with fish. Quack, quack, quack. We shake our feathers in the rainy weather. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drop, flip, plop. Rain is funny on our tummy. Quack, quack, quack. Squeak, squeak. Hide and seek. You see the mouse? Quack, quack, quack. Oh no! The rain has stopped. No more drips, no more drops. No more quacking. I'm feeling sad. I think I'll see my dad. Cheer up, Ducky. Here comes the sun. Look at the butterflies having fun. We'll quack together whatever the weather. Hop on my back and everybody ready? Quack, quack, quack. And well, I have a friend here. What? Quack, quack, quack. Here's my friend. This is Ducky. Ducky wants to go on an adventure. Are you ready, Ducky? Okay, let's go. Ducky's gonna do the obstacle course challenge at the Highland Library. Ready? Let's leap like a frog. And let's swirl. Swirl and swirl, swirl. Now he's gonna stomp and roar. 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 Oh, does he have any books to return? Let's return them here. Right here. All right, he's gonna walk the plank. Walk the plank. All right, then he's gonna enter with a smile and a mask. Here, put your mask on. That was fun, wasn't it? Yes. What does Duck say? Quack, quack, quack. All right, I'm sorry to say, it's time to say goodbye. So we have some friends to say goodbye to. See you later. What rhymes with later? Alligator. In a while. Crocodile. Take care. What's this? Teddy bear. Toodaloo. Kangaroo. Wave goodbye. What's that? Butterfly. Goodbye, friends. See you next time. Please visit us on our YouTube channel and Facebook for more virtual story times and programs. Thank you. Bye.